Feldman, Customer Success Manager with T1V, and today we'll be going over how to import Google documents into ThinkHub so that you can edit and view and update your Google Slides, your Google Spreadsheets, or your Google Word documents. So to start, we will connect to our ThinkHub session as I've done here using the AirConnect app. You want to make sure you're in control mode here so that you can actively move the canvas and participate. And then you can go ahead and pull up your Google documents on your web browser. So if I want to share this spreadsheet, I'm going to click the share button as if I would share with any other contact, and I'm going to copy the link. Now you want to make sure that anyone can access this link, anyone can edit. You can change the permissions here. So I'm going to make sure anyone with the link has editor permission, and then I want to copy the link. Now when my link is copied, I'm going to switch back over to my AirConnect view, and I'm going to go under Send Canvas Tools to Send URL. Then I'm going to just paste that URL, Send URL, and now that document is in my ThinkHub session. So I can close out of this view, make this larger. Now I have the full access as I do with any ThinkHub tools, so I can click inside here. I can say I want to update this cell, and I'm updating content live. And anyone else who's in my ThinkHub session has the ability to update content as well. If I didn't want people to be able to update, I only wanted them to view, then I could just share that document with that view only permission, and anyone on ThinkHub would not have the ability to update, but they could still view the document. For another example, we can go back to our Google Slides presentation. I have some Google Slides, same thing. I'm going to share this. And this time, maybe I only want people to be able to view this link. I don't want them to edit. I'm going to just present this presentation. So I can just save this as viewer only, copy the link, go back over to my AirConnect, and same thing as before, we're going to send the URL, copy, I'll just paste at this point, sending my URL, and there's my PowerPoint presentation. So I'm going to move my slides out of the way, I'm going to move my PowerPoint really big, and here, again, we have our same tools as with anything in ThinkHub, so I can click inside this window to activate this, and then I can go into present mode. Now I can present my slides, and I can just click through these slides, and it'll keep all of my transitions. I can make it full screen if I'd like, and now I'm presenting full screen. And that's how you can import your Google documents into ThinkHub and work on them with other people. For more information on ThinkHub and AirConnect, please visit the T1V Academy at t1v.com.